Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is 上, 上. So let's get started. Meaning: above, up, radical, this stroke. 1. Pronunciation: 訓読み上、上、神、神、上がる、上がる、登る、登る、音読み、上、上。Stroke order: 1, 2, 3. Here is the 3 tips for writing 上 beautifully. Tip 1. Look at this vertical line. Upper part is shorter than lower part because you can make this stroke looks like a statue. This position is a waistline. So here is a leg, right? So the long leg is the better. For example, not like this. This like a bad figure. Tip 2. This shape is like a equilateral triangle. It looks good balanced and stable. So this stroke should be long enough. For example, yeah, this is too short. It's not stable, right? Okay, tip 3. This tip is something about the stroke movement. The beautiful character has movement, I think. It looks energetic or lively. So this stroke is a little bit upright, and this stroke is a little bit also upright and rounded. I know this is too difficult to understand or to write for beginners. So just remember, you don't write like this. Yeah, downright, because it is not energetic. Right, so let's write again as a review. Right, so next is example words. Number 1, 上, 上. 上 means up, you know? So, 上を見てください. 上を見てください. It means look up please. 上を見てください. Okay, number 2, 上手. 上手. 上手 means skillful or good at. So, 日本語上手ですね. 日本語上手ですね. It means your Japanese is good. 日本語上手ですね. Okay, number 3. 以上. 以上. 以上 has mainly 2 meanings. First one is more than, and second one is that's all. So let's check it out. The first one. そこまで行くのに1時間以上かかります。そこまで行くのに1時間以上かかります。It's a little bit long sentence, sorry. It means it takes more than 1 hour to go there. そこまで行くのに1時間以上かかります。Okay, second one is That's all. 今日は以上で終わりです。今日は以上で終わりです。It means That's all for today. Yeah, actually, 今日は以上で終わりです。That's all for today. See you next video.